Hello guys, welcome to Legal BS and I am Shivani Singhal. So today topic is dowry debt, which is defined in section 304B of IPC. Dowry means any valuable property or security which is given by either party to a marriage to a other party to a marriage. So dowry is defined in section 2 of Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. And first we need to understand 498A of IPC, that is cruelty. Cruelty means harassment or torture by a husband or relative of a husband to a woman. Now essentials of dowry death. Essentials or ingredients, we can say anything of dowry death, that is section 304B of IPC. Death must be caused by burns or bodily injury. Death of a woman must be caused by any bodily injury. Bodily injury is by stabbing the knife or by hanging on the fan, making her hang on the fan, or any burns on her body which describes her death. Death must be caused by burns or bodily injury. Next, death within 7 years of marriage. That means the death must be caused within the 7 years of marriage of that woman. And increasing the day after 7 years, the death will not be considered as dowry death. It must be within the 7 years of marriage. This is the most essential. The death of a woman must be caused within the 7 years of marriage. Next, soon before her death, she was subjected to cruelty or harassment by her husband. That means when she dies and the cruelty by her husband or relative of her husband must be interlinked, and the cruelty must be soon before her death. That means the death must be soon after the cruelty served by the husband or relative of her husband. Now, such cruelty must be in connection with any demand for dowry. That means that cruelty served by the husband or relative of her husband must be interlinked to her death. That means there must be proximate link between her death and the cruelty served by the husband or relative of her husband. Okay. Now there is case Mustafa Shahadal Sheikh versus State of Maharashtra. In this, the soon before her death means there must be some proximate link between her death and cruelty must be interlinked towards her death. Okay. For example, A is a husband and B is a wife. A stabs knife to B, that means to her wife, demanding dowry. And they have spent 6 years together. Now the mother of A compelling B in demanding of dowry, and what B is doing, B is negotiating that part. B is refusing to give dowry by her parents. So what A do? A stabs knife to B and B dies as the bodily injury and the death, and she dies. B dies. So death must within the 7 years of marriage. That means 6 years they have completed together, and the cruelty must be in connection with demand for dowry. That means A and the mother of A demanded the dowry from B, and when B refuses, A stabs knife to B and B dies. That means they are keen to money. A and A's mother is keen to money and demanding dowry. So A stabs knife to B, and then soon before her death she was subjected to cruelty or harassment by her husband or relative of her husband. what A and A's mother do? A's and A's mother did very bad to B. That means they always do cruel things or tortures or harass to B. That means they always keep on taunting B. So this is dowry death, when the woman dies between the 7 years of marriage, subjecting to cruelty by her husband or relative of her husband's.